Trieste tourism set to return to pre-COVID levels in 2023.
I'm from Serbia and I'm here to visit some countries.
I'm from Poland and I'm here because I'm on holiday in Slovenia, very close to Trieste. From Gdańsk, and I like Trieste from it's really beautiful town.
And we come from France.
In Brittany.
We are in Trieste because we are three friends, come from France, as I say, and we
launched the dart on a map of Europe, and it comes to Udine next to there.
Yeah,
so we come to visit Trieste.
I am from France, I'm from Brittany, and I'm visiting Trieste, and I think it's a wonderful town.
I'm from London, and the reason why I like Trieste is because it's a very interesting city.
Here on our way to Dubrovnik, so we're going to be here tonight.
So I'm from Japan.
Hi, my name is Ksenia, I'm from Ukraine.
And we're in Trieste because we're having a small family trip.
From Austria, and I'm so lucky because my husband is from Trieste.
From Denmark.
From Denmark?
From Belgium.
We are from Vienna, from Austria.